सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु.
Good morning everyone again. Here I will take the privilege to start the Yoga Day celebration with the blessings of Swamiji, Sri Sivakanthananda Swamiji with us. And okay, so I thought of having a prayer to start the Yoga Day celebration program. Mute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. So, Prasanna Kuki children will say some prayers. Yeah. Over to you. Start.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकालेषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Thank you, Surabhi, Prasanna children. Okay, so I take the privilege to introduce Mr. Arun Kumar sir here with us. So Mr. Arun Kumar sir is a certified yoga instructor and a founder of Kama Yogi Foundation and also the founder of Gatik Group of Companies. He also recently started an organization called One Force to promote awareness about political issues and motivate the youth to move in the right direction. So we can say him as a social activist and also a spiritual enthusiast. We heartily welcome Mr. Arun Kumar sir to the program, and I request Arun Kumar sir to say a few words about Yoga Day here.
Perhaps I'm really glad that I got a chance to talk to all of you beautiful people today morning. And as your teacher was telling, yoga is not about exercise. Yoga is a tool by using which you create your own future. Yoga is a tool that gives you joy in life. People who do not do yoga, their lives are just limited to eating, marrying, and birthing. And there is no fire in it. There is no flame in it. If you really are looking for a beautiful life, a successful life, you really need to make yoga your best friend, because yoga gives you focus. And the focus you have is directly connected to the amount of successfulness you will have in this life. Normal people who do not go in this path of yoga, they suffer. And you see the earth is flat and the earth is full of them. The earth is full of people who suffer. And just by inculcating yoga in your lives, you are going to come out of this suffering. And you are going to be a good human being. You are going to be a good student. You are going to be a good girlfriend, good boyfriend, good father, good mother, good citizen, and everything. All these things, to have a successful life, you should never leave yoga. Yoga should become your weapon through which you live this life and you find a light. There is not much light, but here really there is a light, that can drive away the darkness. That little light, and you have to search for it. Normal people who do not inculcate the path of yoga, they are like when you look at a tree, you look at the stem. to look at the leaves, but you will never know about the roots. But 80% of the tree is below the ground, as life also. Our life is below in our subconscious and our unconscious mind, which nobody tried to explore. And people who do not explore that part of life, they never lived. We can tell it that they were more dead than they were alive, because they did not actually see the life. They just saw it on the surface, not on the depthness of it. At this moment, on this yoga day, when we are celebrating yoga, I would like to quote a poem of my beloved teacher, who says that if you are really going to try, go all the way. Otherwise, don't even start. If you are going to try, go all the way. This could mean losing girlfriends, wives, relatives, jobs, and maybe perhaps your own mind. Go all the way. This could mean not eating, sleeping on the streets. This could mean derision, mockery, isolation. Isolation is the gift. Rest all are just endurance of how much you really want to do it. It is just a test. And when you are really isolated, despite rejection and worst odds, it will be better than anything else. You can imagine, if you are going to try, go all the way. There is no other feeling like that. You will be alone with the gods, and the nights will flame with fire. Do it, do it, do it, all the way, all the way. It is the only good fight that is there. So this day you make a promise to yourself that this yoga, what you start today, you are not going to give it up. Just hold on to it. Just stick on to it. At the right time, you see the light and it will guide you. With these words, I would like to thank everybody who gave me the opportunity to speak to you people. And if anything is there from my side, I will be really happy to come in person and teach the kids. And thank you very much, madam, for giving me this chance.
Thank you,
I
sir.
bow down to everybody and finish my 2 words.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the few words for our children. Now, I request the Prasanna Jyoti children to give feedback about Aditi's yoga teaching for 21 days. I just introduce your Aditi Ravi. She has taught yoga and gave a practice for our children from June 1st till now for 21 days. I appreciate her commitment. So now our children are going to say a few words about her.
Hello everyone, good morning. Thank you Aditi Akka. Ma'am,
Nin hesru helbittu start madam.
myself Meghna, staying in Surabhi Prasanna Jyoti. I would thank for Mangala ma'am and Aditi Ravi Akka. They taught us very nicely yoga and for so many days, and it is very useful for us. We have baby dance class and yoga.
Everyone keep yourself muted when kids are talking. 1 second. So ensure that one, if you are log in or log out, please keep yourself on mute. It will be distracting the others. Please keep you on the mute, okay?
Okay. So now Meera,
Ma'am?
you have few words to say? Yeah.
Thanks, Aditya, for teaching us yoga. Because of that, we have got flexibility easily, and it is useful for doing stunts and all. As sir said, height will increase. Obviously, if we do the practice continuously, the benefit we will get is so good, and we will be a healthy life, and we can be very flexible. Thank you, Akka, and thank you for ma'am to give up nice opportunities to do this.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have a small honor to Aditi here with with all your good wishes here. Yeah. Please come, Aditi.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Akka.
First off, I'd like to wish everyone a happy International Yoga Day. ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದಿನ ನೀವು ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟುಡೇ ಆನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಆಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ಯೋಗ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮನ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಮನ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ಇವನು ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ ದೇಹ, ನಮ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವ್ ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೋಗ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಸನಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಪ್ and you make sure that every day you do just a little bit. Another thing, I would like to thank Surabhi Trust, Mangala ma'am, and all the children for this wonderful opportunity. A special thanks to Jeevita for finding me through Instagram, and another biggest thank you is to Mangala ma'am for organizing and making sure this entire program went smoothly. So thank you.
Thank you, Aditi. Please come. A small gesture of honor.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bama.
Thank you.
So, okay, this is a small gesture of thanking Aditi for helping us voluntarily to teach yoga for 21 days continuously. Now, I want to ask Surabhi Prouda children to say a few words about Aditi's activities or yoga which you've done for 21 days here.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಯೋಗ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಾವು 21 ದಿನದ ಯೋಗ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಯ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. 45 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾಡುವ ಯೋಗದಿಂದ ಇಡೀ ದಿನವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಶೀಲ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಗಿ ಇರೋಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಯ್ತು. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮುಂದೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅದಿತಿ ಅಕ್ಕರಿಗೂ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತನಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಮಂಗಳ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಅದಿತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Thank you, Somshekhar. Now, from Surabhi Advaya, Viresh will give words of feedback.
Myself, Viresh, staying in Advaya. By the way, happy International Day to everyone. I would like to thank Rakesh sir and Aditi Akka and for holding this meeting. I would like to thanks Mangla ma'am. We learned a lot by doing yoga. Aditi Akka taught very nicely. So the session was superb. We learned a lot. Thanks.
Thank you, Viresh. Yeah, I want to introduce the next guest of us, Mr. Nazir Ahmad sir. Can you see you?
Yeah,
Namaste, sir. Nazir Ahmad sir is my colleague. He was my colleague in Jain Vidyaniketan. Before that, he worked in Jain Public School and many more institutions he has worked. And also, he is Associate NCC officer in number 2 Karnataka Air Squadron NCC Navy wing. You are teaching, right, sir? So he got best in GST award at Chennai Tanbharam Air Force Station 86 pre-commissioned batch. And also he got a prize in 2018 as a best associate NCC officer. And they're also being awarded as best drill troop continuously from last 3 years in CATC. CATC is the combined annual training camp. So in that, they're getting the best troop award in drilling. So I heartily welcome you, Nazir sir, for the program. And I request you to say a few words about Yoga Day importance to our children.
Yeah, firstly, I would like to say thanks for Surabhi Trust members. Okay, those are present here, and Swamiji, and Arun Kumar sir and Rakesh ji and all. Already they gave a lot of information regarding this International Yoga Day. So ನಾನು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಮುಂದಿನ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 things is very important in our life. One is good lifestyle, other one is healthy habits. ಗುಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಜೀವನ ಶೈಲಿ ಒಂದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಹಾರ ಪದ್ಧತಿ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಮಗಿಂತ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ತೊಂದರೆಯಿಂದ ಬಳಲ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇನ್ ಡ್ರಾಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಮ್ಯೂನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು? ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇದು 2 ತಿಂಗಿನ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಮ್ಯೂನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಶೈಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಏನ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಯೋಗ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಕೇಶ್ ಜಿ ಅವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಅರಿವನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅವರು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಅಂತಂತ ನಾನು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ. ಆದ್ರೂ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ಗನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಮೂಡ್ ಬಂತು. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಇದು ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದೇ ದಿವಸ ಮುಗಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಇದು ನೀವು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಇದನ್ನ ಹವ್ಯಾಸವಾಗಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಓದ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇವಲ ಇದು ದೈಹಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಓದಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಓದಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಒಂದು ಭವಿಷ್ಯನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಯೋಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವರದಾನ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಶುಭೋದಯ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words. Now, I take a privilege to introduce Dr. Rakesh Dashpute, sir. Here, everyone knows Dr. Rakesh Dashpute, sir. All the Surbhi children know him, and I am the great fan of Rakesh, sir. Whatever I am today is like, he is my inspiration. Now, when I requested him to join this program and conduct the yoga session for our children, he became so happy. Definitely, I'll get a chance to be with Surbhi children. I'll be there, he said. So I'm very happy about that. He's such a busy schedule he'll be having. In the morning from 5 a.m. to till in the night 8, he will be continuously taking classes. Continuously, he will be conducting one or the other sessions, naturopathy sessions, toxic programs, yoga classes, and what not. I don't know what not is left from Rakesh Dashpute, sir. He is knowing, and he's everywhere. He's in every field, and he's a kind-hearted man. He's there to help every social activities. And also, he is bound to transform the world. Not only himself, he has changed himself, and also he has taken an oath to change the whole society around him. So we are in the same path. We are changing ourselves. Rakesh Dashpute sir's introduction. Rakesh Dashpute sir is a naturopathy doctor, life transformation engineer, yoga consultant, and social worker for the past 20 years. He is the CEO of Suryopasana Yoga and Healing Center Private Limited and BRT Wellness Labs. Rakesh sir has done more than 27 certifications in yoga from reputed institutes such as Yoga Vidya Dhama, Kaivalya Dhama, Pune University, BKS Iyengar. He has done MSc in Yoga and Psychology from S. Vasa Yoga University, Bangalore. He has also done MS Computer Science from Pune University. He is certified PLR therapist, IATD certified trainer, master diabetic trainer. He has been practicing and teaching yoga for the past 20 years. He transformed more than 10,000 people's life in the last 20 years, including high-profile clients, and also conducted specialized yoga workshops, weight loss and diabetic reveral workshops, ikigai and life transformation workshops in corporate banks, 5-star hotels, government schools, slums, orphanages, public sectors, etc. He got numerous awards in the field of social work, education, and yoga. Rakesh sir has written several articles on diversified subjects in various magazines and journals. He is working on the unique project to reverse obesity and pre-diabetic, which will save billions of dollars of our nation. So you can also try with him. He's giving the toxin loss programs and also journal writing. A number of courses he'll be doing. And definitely I had lost around 7 to 8 kgs last time when I did this course with him. I recommend to be in contact, in touch with Rakesh sir. Our life will definitely transform. So I heartily welcome Rakesh sir again for this session. And now I request you to speak a few words to our children, sir.
Mute. Okay, so first of all, really thanks to Arunji. He's just given you the best message. Nasir sir. And I'm not going to take more time now. Already I done my part in last 1 hour of yoga and everything. So just to tell one important thing, I'm associated with Surbhi from last around 9 years. And I work with more than 200 different NGOs and everything. So if you ask me, this is the one of the best and most reliable organization in the field of NGO. I know near about 90% of the kids, some of them come and goes. Last 2 years, I'm not able to connect it personally to them. But today, actually, just because Surbhi is really was backbone of my all the social activities. So I take this opportunity for this one because I work very deeply with the Surbhi. Means like I done more than 100 projects we done from the Oracle also. So I thanks even Oracle for giving this opportunity to really help the Surbhi in a financial terms or whatever we can do apart from my part exactly. So today exactly on this occasion of the Yoga Day, see please, yoga talks about something which is like a self-realization, self-life, self-journey. But actually remember that your self is start with the others. It is a Ubuntu. That's what I told you. That one is this whole society. When the society is in the fire, you cannot do your meditation. So today, exactly, I really want to tell only one thing. All the kids, please remember one thing, that one, you are the creator of your own destiny. Swami Vivekananda told in this one, that one, your destiny can be created by you. Now, Sudhya Raju or Patil sir or Mangla madam or the Jivika or whatever is that, all the volunteers, all the staff of the Surbhi, everything, and whatever we are trying to transform your life the way we want. But at the end, it is you. At the end, it is you. So my message to the kids are there. Please remember that when you are the creator of your destiny. I really don't want to talk more. So I just want everybody to take the place. Can everybody take the place? That will be honest, integrated, authentic. And when you pass out, you will be actually helping these other kids and other next generations. It's not only you. It's not only you. You have to be help others. When somebody helping you now, please understand when you really stand on your legs. First thing you have to stand on your leg. And Surbhi's mission is not only to give you the 10th class education, but they want really create your life, your family life. So this is one important part. Another part of the Surbhi is now, everybody know about now, if you go to the Surbhi's website now, let me just share the screen if you want. I just gave me 2 minutes. So this is surbhifoundations.org. So if you open this one now, Surbhi is doing the one very important project. And you know, like this is a very important project of the Surbhi Sevadhama project. So Surbhi Sevadhama is a project Surbhi is doing, and they really struggle for it, and a lot of work is done. So today in this occasion of this one, I had the one of the dream to make this earth green. So that's what with the Siddha Raju and with the Surbhi people, we try to plant a lot of trees and we really done the work, but it's always challenging to survive. So on the days of this yoga, 21st of June 2021, I really want to contribute 21,000 rupees from my side to plant at least 250 trees and take care of them. So that's what is I really want to give from my side for the Surbhi to really create a Surbhi Sevadhama, very green environment. So we have the rain now. So definitely let me see how I can come personally there, but we have the plan. So this is my small help from my side. And I request exactly everybody to come up to help these kids, help to, to come up with this, to see our responsibility to give this earth a green to the next generation. Not a earth with the violence, not a earth with the complete chemicals, not earth with no water, not earth with there is no pure food, there is no pure air, there is no pure water. Where are we are leading exactly? So my complete support is there for them, and that's it. I just want to tell, and this nation is actually always contributed for the well-being of this whole universe. Understand that one. We cannot become a leader by business, but we can be a leader by our spirituality. And the spirituality is not the religion. Spirituality is something where you self-understand yourself and help others to do it. So when you serve yourself and you serve others, that is what is make the whole earth a beautiful place to live. So from my side, exactly, I can just call one thing to the all kids. So pledge to really transform your life, help others to transform, serve others, and just spread the message of how to make this earth green. And not only the body level, mind level, or soul level, but all the 3 levels you require a transformation. Body, mind, and soul. So all the kids are ready to take action. Yes, so everybody, Surbi Advaya kids, Surbi Tirth Ashram, Prasanna Jyoti, Surbi Balkere, everybody ready? Okay, so yes, thank you. Sir. I'm not seeing Patil sir today here, but definitely, like a Mangala ma'am doing a very good work. And one thing exactly I told you, see, the food, clothes, money, food, it will be come and go. But the sanskara, the cultural part, if they really transform your life, and that is what is there. So I really want to, back to the Mangala ma'am, because Swamiji is waiting for us. So I really want to hear, because I also have the session at 7:45. So let Swamiji please come up in the picture. So I just want to hear him, and like a 7:45, I have to leave exactly because I have the session. Yeah, Mangala ma'am, please take it up. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So now I take the privilege with the blessings of Swamiji, and I request Swamiji. I just introduce Swamiji in a few words here. So Revered Swami Shivakantananda Swamiji Maharaj is the monk of Ramakrishna order. Presently, he is the correspondent of Ramakrishna Institute of Moral and Spiritual Education, Mysuru. He was inspired by the life of teaching of Holy Trio during his college days. After finishing his Bachelor of Engineering Mechanical and serving a few big companies, he joined the Ramakrishna order in 1998 at Ramakrishna Sharadashrama, Ponnampet, Karnataka. He received initiation from Most Revered Swami Ranganatha Nandaji Maharaj, served Ponnampet Ashrama for 14 years and Kaladi Ashram for 6.5 years in almost all the service sectors of the branches. He talks on Holy Trio, scriptures, yoga are well attended by the spiritual seekers. Swamiji is a good orator and writer too. He has contributed number of articles to Viveka Prabha, Kannada monthly magazine of Sri Ramakrishna Ashrama, Mysore. I heartily welcome you to the session, Swamiji, and I request you to speak a few words with blessings to the children.
Om Namah Shri Yatirajaya Vivekananda Surye Satchit Sukha Swarupaya Swamine Tapahare. Good morning to everyone on this wonderful day, National or International Yoga Day. And I'm very happy to associate myself with the Surabhi Trust, which was introduced by our Viveresh Maharaj, who is in Bangalore. And a few days back, I spoke to our Mangala Madam also, and I'm very much impressed by our Ragesh Daspute, who did so well, and he's so inspiring, and I would like to be in touch with him. And so many kids are here, and it is very wonderful that because I am jealous of them. I started my journey of yoga in the age of around 20-21 years, when you will not be so flexible. So when these children are at the age of adolescence, where you will be having a lot of flexibility in the bones, which is very important for the yoga. And I will not take much of the time because it's already 7:40. I will speak for 5 minutes. The yoga is the contribution of India. We should assert that to the whole international world. The yoga is the offshoot of the Hinduism, Sanatana Dharma. And yoga means union. What is the union? Unions with the Parama Artha, that is the Supreme Being, or union with ourself. The aim of the yoga is for the realization of the Supreme, and these are the means. So yoga is not just the exercise, it is the combination of the 4 yogas: Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Raja Yoga, and Bhakti Yoga. So what is the purpose of yoga? Yoga is the liberation of the human being from this body, mind, and universal complex. So we are the Satchidananda, we are the Nitya, we are eternal, and we are all powerful being. We don't know, we are caught here in this world as a limited being. So the yoga helps this as the means, and yoga is taken as the means. And in the Raja Yoga, that is the Ashtanga Yoga, which is like we have a mythical animal called each limb is very important. So Yama Niyama Asana Pranayama Pratyahara Dharana Dhyana Samadhayoshtamangani. That's what the Patanjali Sutra says. So in this Yama Niyama Simsa Satya Asteya Santosha Tapaswadya Ishvara Pranidhana, etc., etc., in that asana, Yama Niyama Asana Pranayama Pratyahara, asana and pranayama. The asana keeps our body, Sharira Madhyam Khalu Dharma Sadhanam. It makes the body fit to sit for deep meditation. The aim of the yoga is to sit for the deep meditation, realize the God, and become one with the God. That is the purpose of yoga. That doesn't mean that we should neglect the lower aspects of the yoga, that is doing the exercises, doing the breathing exercises, and also controlling the mind during the meditation. So this is the yoga is becoming famous. The people like B.K. Iyengar and the Patabi Jois, so many people have taken it from out of India and spread across the world. There are many followers, but everybody should be thankful to Swami Vivekananda, who took the Hinduism first to the West and made us the place we were the Hindus themselves, the Indians themselves had no belief in their own religion. They were taking that the Hinduism is a religion of superstition and full of idolism, paganism, and all that. That slowly the things are happening in other way, as our Rakesh sir said. This is a period of crisis where we are suffering with a pandemic called Corona, but it is teaching a lot of lesson. We are coming out of so many things, especially the world is getting lesser and lesser polluted, it looks like, and more animals are coming out. Even in our campus, I am seeing 10-12 peacocks are come. So this is, in a way, the God has come with a different tool to teach us what is to be done in this in the human life. So as Shankaracharya says, Manushyatvam Mumukshatvam Mahapurusha Samshrayaha. Manushyatva, we have got this human birth, which is a great thing of all the existence. So we are the connection between this universe and the ultimate. So we have to make this world beautiful. We have to make this world less polluted. We have to clean our cities. We have to clean our sea. We have to clean the air. We have to clean the water and live. So the industrialization and modernization, it brought something good and it has brought something bad also. The world is getting unawakened. I hope our children will do some research on how to bring back that purity in the universe as well as in the individual, so that this world a big Thank you. Mila Madam, blessed, Rakesh Dushpate and Nazir Ahmad, everybody for joining this.
I would like to thank and Prema who have also contributed their time to teach yoga for our children. Now we are at the end of the session. Siddharaju sir, do you have anything to say, sir?
Hari Om Swamiji, I am old boy of Sri Ramakrishna Vidyashala Swamiji. The batch of 90 I was the one who got connected with Viresh Maharaj, and I left the work to Mangala ma'am to coordinate this one, the Yoga International Yoga Day celebration. And we are blessed with having you as the speaker and also blessing our children for the future. I think on this International Day, we are all blessed to have you and also Rakesh Dashpati sir giving us valuable time in spite of his lot of heavy, hectic schedule. And we are also blessed with Nazir Ahmad, who is a NCC officer. So from all walks of life, we had persons to bless our children and teach yoga and also talk about the importance of yoga on this day. And we are all blessed on this day, especially on this yoga day. Thank you, Swamiji. And thank you, Rakesh sir. Thank you, Nazir sir and Arun sir and all the children. I think we have to utilize the importance of yoga. It has to be imbibed as the part and parcel of our life. Thank you, Swami.
Thank you, Sidraju sir, for a few words. Now, at the end, I just cut some of the words of other people that they wanted to give a feedback about the program, but I will allow them to speak later. Now, I request Jeevita to give vote of thanks for the program.
Good morning, everybody. This is Jeevita. I consider delivering my speech today my pleasure. Firstly, I would like to thank Aditi, who has been very enthusiastic, dedicated, and committed for the past 21 days. Secondly, we have Prema ma'am and Hariharan sir, who have engaged our children and Surbi volunteers every weekend. So I would like to thank them. Thirdly, all the guests here, Dr. Rakesh sir, Nazir sir, Arun Kumar sir, and Swamiji, thank you so much for your presence, and your practice of yoga encourages us every single day. And lastly, but definitely not the least, to Mangala ma'am, who has brought this initiative, who has invented this initiative. She brought all the thoughts and all the thoughts of Team Surbi into reality. So thank you, Mangala ma'am. Thank you so much. I like to end my speech by hoping that we'll have more future engagements in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Jeevita. Thank you, Swamiji. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Lakshmi ma'am, for joining us. Thank you, Nazir sir. Thank you, Arun Kumar sir, Hariharan sir, every children.